Hello, little ocean explorers. Welcome back to Tiny Tongues. Today, we're going to meet some of the most amazing creatures under the sea. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Wow, look at this big shark. Sharks are one of the fastest swimmers in the ocean. With their sharp teeth and strong bodies, they are great hunters. But did you know that not all sharks are dangerous? Some, like the whale shark, are super gentle and only eat tiny plankton. Now, let's meet a tiny ocean friend, the seahorse. Seahorses are one of the coolest creatures in the sea. They don't swim like other fish. Instead, they use their tiny fins to flutter around. And here's a fun fact, it's the seahorse dads that carry the babies, not the moms. Whoa, look at that enormous whale. Whales are the gentle giants of the sea. Some whales, like the blue whale, are the biggest animals on the planet. But even though they're so big, they only eat tiny little creatures called krill. Isn't that amazing? And here's a funny little crab. Crabs use their strong claws to dig in the sand and find food. They can walk sideways, and some crabs even live on the beach. Crabs come in all shapes and sizes, but they all have hard shells to protect them from other animals. And finally, octopus. Look at all its wiggly tentacles, there are 8 of them. Did you know octopuses are super smart and can hide in small spaces? Wow, wasn't that fun? Today, we met a speedy shark, a tiny seahorse, a gentle giant whale, a clever crab and octopus. The ocean is full of amazing creatures, each with its own special abilities.